Hey, it's Nick and Eric. This is the new and improved, shorter, leaner Lemons car spotting. Let's get into it. First this week, oh boy, a Neo Classic, one of the all-star Lemons cars that we've always wanted to see. I think this particular one is a Zimmer. It could be based on a Mustang. It could be based on a Thunderbird. It doesn't matter. Bring it to a Lemons race. Bring it to a Lemons rally. You will be a hero. You will go home with a trophy.
Yeah, spectacular. Boy, look at this. Some kind of Citroen.
Sure.
Artsy fartsy wagon, not sold here. This is from Die Geschichte eins Moralisten, which of course means French long roof. Totally perfect for Lemons. If you can find one of these, wheel spats always plays well in Lemons. Spectacular.
Maximum comfort for
That's right.
Whatever your application may be. Next up, it's a Starion, the best looking and arguably worst performing of the 80s Japanese luxury sport coupes. Put a motor from a Supra or a Corvette or anything else into this car, and then you've really got something. They look great, box flares, super sweet. Clearly, this one is abandoned, so you can definitely get one for Lemons money if you look hard enough. Cool looking car. You could do a total 80s theme. I love it.
Yeah, the Radwood crowd will lose it for that thing. Oh, man. The Radwood crowd is in general exhausting. I will show myself out after that. This is some kind of Chrysler, I think. Maybe it's a Ford.
It's a bird.
Yeah. Is it a Thunderbird? Like a 70? Somewhere around there.
Sure.
I hope all of that exhaust is functional. And that is Lemon's legal exhaust because it's behind the door panels. As long as it is affixed correctly, this is pretty great. And also, the best way to fix all of your rust repairs is with old Coca-Cola signs, just for the extra boomer effect on there.
Indeed. Lemons is one of the few series where I think this exhaust is actually past safety tech. All right. Oh, boy. A 2-for-1. Looks like some kind of a Jeepster and then a kit car, possibly a Bradley. Ironically, even though the Bradley is arguably the sports car, I think the Jeepster is the one of the two that would actually be legal in a Lemons race. So, bring your Bradley on Lemons Rally, set up the Jeepster, lower it, and bring it to a Lemons race.
Yeah, I've seen several of those on other chassis, and Studebaker Hawkness. I don't know the difference between Studebaker Hawks, but I think they were all basically the same. Their trim levels, this is like a late 50s with the oversized fins. These cars look amazing. And as we pointed out, in the 24 hours of Lemons, Studebaker has a perfect record for the index of fluency. So you bring one, you basically walk away with the highest trophy that you can win from us. And
indeed,
yeah, great styling.
Well, this one I am picking the hooptiest. That one is in the running, but nothing is more hoopty. Well, geez, nothing is more hoopty than this. I was going for the Starion, but then I saw the Bradley, and an abandoned VW-based kit car. Nothing gets more hoopty than that. That's the hooptiest of the week.
Yeah, your Lemons build, the car we would most want to see in Lemons. Man, this is 6 out of 6. Every single one of these would be a slam dunk in Lemons, but I'm going to go with the Whale Shark era Thunderbird. You don't need to have the exhaust on it that has been on it, but we haven't seen one of these yet. They're weird. They have the big gaping maw and the rear that matches it. I think it's like 68, 69. They're weird enough. People don't want them. It is totally perfect for Lemons, ill-fated for road racing, and therefore absolutely the car we want to see built for Lemons.
There you go. And you could make a replica of this down to the last detail, and you would be immediately the hero of the paddock. That does it for this week. keep tagging your photos with hashtag Lemons Car Spotting on Instagram. We'll find it. We'll talk about it. Oh, man. I mean, the giant exhaust stacks suggests a rolling coal, but something tells me if you're running an original type motor in one of these, you're going to be blowing some kind of visible smoke out for the effect.
Cheech and Chong style.